Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to know the meaning of the numbers having the index in the rational form m upon n and solve the examples from practice set 3.2. I have given my previous videos link related to indices in description box. The meaning of numbers having the index in the rational form m upon n. 3 upon 2. This is a rational number. This rational number we convert into multiplication form is equal to 3 into 1 upon 2 or is equal to 1 upon 2 into 3. 7 upon 3 is equal to 7 into 1 upon 3 1 upon 3 into 7. 4 upon 9 is equal to 4 into 1 upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 9 into 4. M upon n is equal to, how to write m upon n in multiplication form, is equal to m into 1 upon n or n 1 upon n into m. A raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to m n. Now using this rule, we write a raised to m upon n is equal to a raised to m into 1 upon n, that is equal to a raised to m bracket raised to 1 upon n. Or in another way, a raised to m upon n is equal to a raised to 1 upon n into m, that is equal to a raised to power 1 upon n raised to n raised to m, sorry. Now what is the meaning of this? That is nth root of mth power of a. Here 1 upon n means root, nth root of mth power of a. Now how to write this? Mth power of nth root of a. Write down. Mth power of nth root of a. Now we write down some example and then we solve practice set 3.2. 8 raised to power 2 upon 3 is equal to 8 square raised to power 1 upon 3. How to write? Cube root of square of 8. Same example, 8 raised to power 2 upon 3. We write 8 raised to power 1 upon 3 raised to 2. That is square of cube root of 8. Another example, 25 raised to 2 upon 5 is equal to 25 square raised to power 1 upon 5. That is 1 upon 5 means fifth root of square of 25. 25 raised to 2 upon 5 is equal to 25 raised to 1 upon 5 square. That is square of fifth root of 25. Numerator is the power and the denominator is the root. Now we solve practice set 3.2. Practice set 3.2. First question, complete the following table. Here is the table. Serial number in the index form is given. Write down the power of the root or root of the power. Power means the number in the index, that is in numerator, is a power, and number present in the denominator, that is a root. Here 225. Here we first write the power. Which number is in numerator? That is 3. Therefore cube of. Which number in denominator? That is 2. Means square root of. Which number? 225. Means cube of square root of 225. Here we first write the root. 225's root, that is square root, because there is 2 in denominator. Square root of, here numerator there is a 3 in the index. Numerator is 3. Therefore square root of cube of which number? 225. Here we write. Second example. 45 raised to 4 upon 5. What is the meaning? Here power is fourth power and root is fifth root. How to write? Fourth power of fifth root of 45. Fourth power of fifth root of 45. Here first comes root, that is fifth root of fourth power of 45. Next example, 60 raised to power 7 upon 5. Seventh power of fifth root of 60. Seventh power of fifth root of 60. Here fifth root of seventh power of 60. 27 raised to 10 upon 7. 10th power of 7th root of 27. Write down. 10th power of 7th root of 27. Here 7th root of 10th power of 27. Write down. First here we write root, 7th root of 10th power of 27. 100 raised to 9 upon 8. 9th power of 8th root of 100. Here 8th root of 9th power of 100. Write down all these examples in your notebook. Second question, write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. आता आपण इंडायसेसच्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिणार आहोत. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ फिफ्थ पॉवर ऑफ 121. इथं काय सांगितलंय? 121 चा स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ फिफ्थ पॉवर means in the index fifth is numerator, square root means 2 is denominator, means 121 raised to 5 upon 2. Second, cube of 4th root of 324. Cube means इंडेक्स जो आहे तो रॅशनल नंबर मध्ये आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये क्यूब म्हणजे न्यूमरेटर मध्ये 3 येईल आणि फोर्थ रूट म्हणजे डिनॉमिनेटरला 4. 324 रेज टू 3 upon 4. Cube. Therefore 3 is in numerator, fourth root. Therefore 4 is in denominator. Next example. Fifth root of square of 264. Fifth root of square of means numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. Therefore we write 264 raised to 2 upon 5. Fourth example, cube root of 3. Cube of cube root of 3 is equal to 3 raised to 3 upon 3. Cube, therefore in the numerator 3. Cube root, therefore in denominator 3. And number is 3. Therefore 3 raised to power 3 upon 3. Here we complete practice set 3.2. You complete all these examples in your notebook. We stop here only. In the next lecture, we start new topic, cube and cube root. Thank you.